This is the actual furnace room going into where they expected to perpetrate it. Got a bit of a jump there. Come on back here. Follow me. Come.